Delivering judgment on the appeal filed by the presidential candidate of the PDP, Atiku Abubakar, Justice Inyang started with the issue on the application to submit fresh evidence against President Tinubu, which borders on the Chicago State University certificate. Justice Okoro dismissed the application that it is statute barred and that it has no jurisdiction to entertain such application. On electronic transmission of results, the Apex Court says that the failure of INEC to transmit election results electronically did not affect the outcome of the election and cannot in any way lead to the nullification of the presidential election. The Supreme Court maintains that Atiku did not produce alternative results of the presidential election that showed that he won majority number of the vote cast to counter the results declared by INEC. The court resolved all the 7 issues for determination in favor of President Tinubu, stating that the appeal lacked merit and subsequently dismissed it. Similarly, the appeal filed by the presidential candidate of Labour Party, Peter Obi, was also dismissed in its entirety for lacking in merit. The justices were unanimous in their decision, as they say the issues are the same with that of Atiku, that both have nothing useful to offer the court. After the judgment, the national chairman of the APC and a chieftain of the APC reacted to the judgment.
This is a developing democracy in a developing nation, so you expect such distractions to occur. But I believe we fine-tune our laws, especially electoral laws, and we believe we shall come to the mature stage that we are expecting.
They have upheld what the lower court did, that is rooted in our jurisprudence and also in the Electoral Act. And I think what they have done today is to secure our democracy, but also secure the validity of the votes and the election of President Bola Tinubu.
Also, counsel to Atiku and the national chairman of Labour Party gave their reaction.
Okay, as God pleases.
I must express shock and dismay over the judgment. I think it's unfortunate for democracy, and I wish that as a country we will do better.
The journey, which started 21 days after the February 25th presidential election at the Court of Appeal, moved to the Supreme Court. And with what has happened today, President Bola Tinubu is the authentic winner of the elections. The Supreme Court dismissed all the 7 grounds of appeal on the ground that they all lack merit. With this, President Tinubu will concentrate on delivering the dividend of democracy to the over 200 million Nigerians. From Supreme Court, Joseph Kadri, ITV News.